And so it begins, the great October snowstorm. It's about, I'd say 10:30, 11 o'clock. It's been raining all morning. Saw some snowflakes mixed in and out, but just within the last 10 minutes here, that just pretty much changed over to straight snow. You can hear a little bit of rain if you listen, but I believe it's soon going to be all snow. We're looking at a pretty potential record-breaking storm here. It's there's some concerns, particularly with the trees, considering how many leaves are still on them. And this is definitely a wet, heavy snow. You can see it's not even very opaque. It's kind of translucent. It's very wet. And the concern is that it will weigh down these trees way too much, and they're just going to snap like twigs all over the place. Potential power disruptions, all kinds of crazy stuff. So we'll see what happens here. The pavement itself, I don't think my camera will pick it up, but it's starting to collect there too. Pretty amazing that this is just happening right now, considering it was just raining and it's not even freezing outside. So we'll play it by ear.